Thanks so much for being here again for another discussion. I really appreciate you. Let's quickly discuss how simple the design you're seeing on the screen right now is. Welcome to NeedleMeister. Here I have material of width 5.5 inches. Half of 5.5 inches is 2.75 inches. This is because I want the length of my pocket to be around 5.25 to 5.5 inches. Be sure that it is 2.75 inches. This we are going to do 4 times. Let's lace with gum. Let's iron out the center. With the help of this, we'll be able to fold our rectangle into triangle. See what we have here. Let's do this again together, please. Let's iron out the center. See what we have here again. Here I have interface of length 7 inch and width 5.5 inches. I deliberately let it be longer than required. On this, we are going to place our 4 triangles. For the next triangle that will be directly opposite this, 2 things are to be looked into. First is to make sure that the centers of the 2 triangles are on a straight line. And the second is the space in between the edges of the 2 triangles. Here I want it to be 0.25 inch. For the proper placing of this, the space in between the diagonal must be half of the space between the edges of the first two triangles. And as you can see, what we have here is 0.125 inch, which is half of 0.25 inch. So assumed the space in between the edges is 0.5 inch. The space at the diagonal would have been 0.25 inch. Just as we did to the first two triangles, the centers must be on a straight line. I want the length and width of my pocket to be 5.5 and 4 inches respectively. Let's fold this into half and give it a curve. With the center of the paper at the center of the two triangles, we are going to trace out the paper. Let me bring this closer. Let's hold down the foldings at the center. Let's cover the whole of the sides to get a fine pocket. Let's start from the top. Here I'm going to square down by ½ inch. Kindly note that this depends on how you want it. For even in this video, I later increased it to 0.625 inches. With the help of the line, we are going to stitch with our machine. Let's lace it with emi gum. In order to achieve a very straight piping, we are going to outline how thick we want the piping to be. Here I'm marking at 0.375 inches. So we are going to cut our bias by cutting along the diagonal of our fabric. This is the way to get that kind of material that tends to act like elastic. As you can see, it's stretched like elastic material. With this, we are going to pipe our pockets. Ensure that you are not pulling this bias material in the course of stitching this. Let's iron it. Please subscribe to my channel if this video had added value to you so far. Please hit the like button, like this video please. Help me increase the visibility of the channel by liking my videos. Please leave a comment for me in the comment section, please. Dress your piping properly with your fingers. Pull the bias to make it to last properly. Let's trim out the excess. Let's lace the piping with emming gum. Is there anything you don't like in this video? Please tell me in the comment section. Like this video if it added value to you, please. Hit the subscribe button if you haven't, and turn on your notification bell that you may always be the first to watch every video coming from NeedleMeister. Hope to see you again in our next discussion. Thank you very much for being part of this.